So guys, lately I have invested in a Laura Mercier. And then here, I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit more on my pants.
No! God, please, no! No!
Why? Why? Oh my word. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a makeup look consisting of these colors. So we are going to be going in with some yellow, some white, some blue, maybe a little bit of mustard in this whole thing. So let's go. First off, I'm going in and spraying my beauty blender, and then I'm going to apply it to the rest of my face as setting spray, but at the beginning this doesn't seem to be working. I'm just going to be applying the setting spray all over my face so nothing cracks and gets messy. I'm going to go in and just tame down the brows. Just fill it in and create a shape for myself. It doesn't matter how bad they look, the smoothie will come through with it. Now I'm going in with my smoothie and just brushing this up. I'm going in next with my Revlon concealer, and I'm going in with a tad bit of complex color and just adding that to my concealer since this is so high coverage. Next, I'm going in and adding a piece of tape at the corner of my eye so that I can get my eyeshadow evened out. Now I'm going in with a concealer that is lighter than my skin tone. This is much lighter than my skin tone. The reason is because I am going to be adding in a pop eyeshadow and I want it to pop. In this way, the lighter eyeshadow acts as a base in which it allows the color on my lid to pop. The eyeshadow palette that I'll be using, I'm feeling this color leading up into a lighter orange that will create the mustard kind of color that I want, since there's no mustard on this, and a real rich blue. If not this blue, then maybe the darker blue. Whichever one is darker, I will compare them and thereafter do this look. brush that I'm using is super fluffy. It allows the product to glide onto the eyelid, so this is why I'm using this brush. I'm just going to pack on a little bit of orange to give this a little bit darker color, like more mustardy. Next, I'm going in with my eyelash color just to curl these bad boys. Now I'm going in with my mascara. This is the Essence mascara. I think it is one of the new ones out now. So I'm going in with this before I pop on some lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be using are these ones. I've never used them before in any of my videos. I have used them on some clients, but I've never used them on myself. So let's go in and see what they look like. I always apply my lash glue onto my finger or the back of my hand first so that I do not mess up the band, because sometimes I feel like too much of glue goes into the band and it falls and leaks all over. So first I'm going in with my Yardley foundation. This is almost finished, so I'm just going to open up this part. Is a little bit dark for my skin tone, so I'm going to go in and just add in some lighter color foundation that it's not being set at all. So I'm going to mix it on this cheek, thereafter I'm just going to apply it everywhere else. The main part that I do have a problem with all the time is blending my brows to my forehead. Sometimes when I take a picture and the picture has got a flash on it, then only I realize, oh my gosh, look at what I just did. So that's the only problem that I have. And then here, I'm just going to go in and add a little bit more foundation. Oh no, on my pants. Why? Now I understand why all these beauty gurus wear shorts when doing their makeup. So guys, lately I have invested in a Laura Mercier. However you pronounce it. I have invested in one of those powders and I'm so proud of myself even getting one. So I have invested into a Laura Mercier powder. I don't know why I haven't invested in one previous to this, but I'm absolutely loving this product. I will do a review on Influencer and you guys can see it over there. Previous to this, I used to use a powder that wasn't this good. It was nice. I'm not saying it wasn't nice. When I compared the texture to the two, like my previous powder and this powder, I was stunned. Like the powder that I used to use previous to this used to be a lot more, like, it wasn't pulverized. Well, it used to have a little bit of spots in it, but I understand if you compare the price range, so I fully understand and I'm quite aware of that. Soon your girl will be getting paid on YouTube, and thereafter I will be buying all these fancy palettes that all these beauty gurus have. Next, I'm going in with a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bronzer. This is by Beauty Hyper. I'm always talking about it and you guys know that. I'm sure you're even tired of hearing about it. Next we've got a beautiful blush, and this is Matte Touch blush by Essence. It's this 60 Cherry Miap, and let's get it right. And add this to my big eyes. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara for the bottom lashes and just lash this out. About the lip, I'm going to go in with a nude lip. Since the focus is on the eye, you cannot have two places to be focused on, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to line my lips with a brown. I'm using the NYX Lingerie